Okay, look, check it out. One thing about Norway that's way different than America is that you can actually eat whale. Whale is illegal as hell in America. You can't eat it, you can't cook it, you can't be in possession of it, none of that. So you'll never get the chance to eat whale unless you leave America. So that's something everyone should do when they come to Norway. So grilled whale is so good, you should try it if you get a chance. Well, I did. I went to the Fiske Torga here in Bergen to a place called Fjellskol. And I'll show you right now. Check it out. Say, bro, I'm out here. Look at that right there. But yo, that's a whale, bro. Whale. Like, Shamu. It's good though. Y'all gotta try it. Mm-hmm. Better than ribeye, bro. Yeah, whale is the move.